This is the SOP for the Charter Club fixture. Each location is going to get one fixture, and each fixture consists of 3 boxes when it comes into you. It's going to be one large box which contains the frame and the sign holders. There's a couple different sign holders which we'll go over. And there is also 2 smaller boxes. One contains the crossbars, the legs, the rubber bands, and the bolts. And then there's a box of fabric. The sign holders, real quick, there are 3 different kinds. There's long sign holders that go across the top. These do not get assembled prior to delivery. And we'll reiterate that point at the end. And then there are, each delivery consists of 12 small sign holders that will be installed prior to delivery. Take it out. And we'll go over how to install them momentarily. This is the frame for the fixture, and your first step once you open the box is to identify what the bottom is, and you identify the bottom with the 8 holes. So you want to have the top facing up. And then you want to get the 2 legs. Here's one. And you want to have the feet pointing up. And then line the, hold up, there you go, you got it. You want to line the legs, the holes from the leg with the holes into the base. And you're just going to screw them in from there. And then obviously going to flip it over so it's standing on its legs. And then the next step is going to install the small sign holders. And there's little nubs along the one side of the fixture, and that's where the sign holder is going to line up. You just want to make sure you start at either the very top or the very bottom. And there's going to be 12 of these going down, all the way down to the bottom. And it just slides in so the 2 tabs line up like so. We're running into a problem where these are breaking if they get pushed too far over. So don't push them. So if you start to feel some resistance, you can stop there. That actually went all the way on without a problem. It's actually, I can hear it breaking there. So if you want to just maybe just put not all the way over, but just about, that would probably be a good idea. But one thing you want to do, keep in mind, it would probably be best for when these 12 are going, that they be in a line. So the furthest one over is what you want to have your line. So whether it's there or whether it's there, but that seems to be a good spot. What you're going to do next is you're going to install the crossbars. For each crossbar, there's actually a rubber band that comes loose in one of the boxes. And what you're going to do prior to installation of the crossbar is hook the rubber band rather than two extrusions there on each one. And then there's 24 of the crossbars, and you just want to line up. There's the two different sides. There's the one where this matches up with this little hook here, and there's one where this matches up just with the edge of the bar. You're just going to install the edge of the bar first, and then that'll slide right into the space there. You're going to go continue to do that after the sign holes are installed with the crossbars all the way down, all 24. And then the finished product is going to look like so. All 24 bars with the rubber bands installed, and then all of the sign holders. If you'll notice, they're all pretty even, except for maybe the bottom one, which we can adjust. But they're not all the way in. You can see from the other side because one of them didn't fit all the way in. So we made sure that they lined up. So this is the fixture you're going to deliver to the store, and then you're also going to deliver loose the two large sign holders and the box of the fabric.